here.
For me, it doesn't show you're live.
Now it will.
Shit, okay.
But my
I'm trying to answer, but it isn't that easy from with one hand.
We have biology.
and what do you see, chat?
The fat.
That's good, but it doesn't fit.
Yeah,
You see what?
We're like orcs.
Okay, do
Yeah,
you
let's
have
go. Technology will have to take over.
You see?
Ah, okay.
Do you see anything?
I did bring snacks in that bag, though.
I was wondering where these Quest chips came from.
Bonnie, what you could do is use their backpack as an access point for
You
Wi-Fi.
got 470.
Pete, is it okay if I use this as a hotspot?
Allergy.
Okay.
Just
I turned it
If
on.
you're dying, then from there, then I can.
Where do you feed
Are you
it?
using mobile?
What is the
I don't know.
too hot?
Like,
I'm
I was
guessing
thinking
heat.
20.
But it won't even.
I
It's
feel
gonna
like,
cool down. I don't
I
know.
will let two.
We should be careful because the lens is out.
So if I
Oh,
lose
okay.
2% body fat, that would look like
She's
this.
gonna use the hotspot. Okay.
Hell yeah.
Or maybe we should just unplug this.
The lens is out.
Getting better.
Make a shell.
Oh.
Still bit ready.
So that's kind of like maybe. I don't know. I think it may
It's on the
also.
Wi-Fi.
Do you mind picking it up a little bit?
Maybe if I just get away from this area.
Yes, it is focused. It should be nice.
Is it working? Is it bad bit rate, chat?
Doesn't mean that on the
That's a heavy chat. It's a heavy camera, actually.
you need. If
I'm
you
stealing this
always
hotspot.
show them.
Oh, we're looting this
Now it should be
backpack
nice
now.
that they've had two
Let me get away from this area and see if it gets better.
When you're one-handed, it's heavy. Oh yeah. So heard the good news. Cameraman to switch camera.
Okay. Getting better? Still says low bit rate for me. Now we kind of back. Come back. Not better. If we get this to work, I can literally take you into the water. Not mental patient. Real patient. Okay. We need to have a petition for a TVU backpack. He owes me 20K. Okay. I'll put my FX3 on it. I can see you. Haha, I can see you and your wheels have turned. The turntable. Your back. It always works. Man. It's because you guys think we're very okay. Let's see. Has I want to see see how far out. Because S1 actually might be able to. He might be our last and final hope. And then double pixels. Look, it's boobs. Hot dogs. Do you see them?
If I have to like.
I'm walking around. Half an hour to get your nails done. That's not what happens to me. Don't worry, I'm walking around. Let's see if I get anywhere. Mike's better over here. You tell me if it's better. I'll do a little bit right. Familiar face. Here, wait, take it off the. Okay, now off the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi isn't working. No. Too much bit rate. I'm frolicking. I'm trying to find a path of exile. However, the problem is that we're trying to find any place for their service. Look, he just stands there.
Just take it.
Yours. You weren't speaking